What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a free upgrade. Yes, I said it, free upgrade, okay? First, you have to start with the entry door, all right? So, this is not a free upgrade. Of course, I have a video. I could post a video right there, a link of it. Right here, I didn't do a video for it. It's a keypad or keyless entry or whatever. You enter the code and get in. But right here, you have that door knocker thing that I don't think anybody uses that on new constructions anymore. So this thing right here is gold and it's old and it got to go. All right. Well, not gotta go, but the color got to go. It's gold. These are bronze. So right now we are going to take it off. You need to take these two screws off and this should come off and we are going to spray paint it. Oh yeah, I did say free. Well, you might have to spend $5, but if you already have spray paint in the house, then it's free. Okay. And also a subscriber said I had this on crooked, and yes, it is crooked. So it is kind of cringy. I will change that today for him. So I will tag him in this video if I ever see his comment. But other than that, let's get to the DIY. Paint. Black. Ta-da. Yep. I have a quick question. Does anybody even use this thing? Thought so. So this is like non-existent in houses anymore, but we got holes on the door and we need to put it back. We're gonna paint it. Let's go. All right, matte black. We're gonna update this thing. Home updates. Not really a home upgrade, but it's a home update. All right. Don't worry about getting a little bit of paint on the table. It will wash off. All right. Let that dry for 15 minutes or so. So it's still hot outside, so it might dry fast. We'll lift this part up and then we'll get the bottom inside of this. And then we're done. Simple, easy home update or upgrade, whatever. Okay, and now we finish putting it back on. All right, and there y'all have it. Looks like new. Feel like we just got it from Lowe's. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe.